This video is a guide through the connections used to install Breakout Box, or BOBe, with an InterMotive FlexTech product and a third-party device. The BOBe kit will typically include the module, a red-white T-harness, a 10-pin to 6-pin harness and a 10-pin to OBD2 harness. There may be more harnesses depending on how many devices you have on your vehicle. This is how you may find your vehicle configured with FlexTech and a third-party system already installed. The FlexTech PRPC module is plugged into the factory OBD2 connector using the red end of the InterMotive T-harness. The third-party device is plugged into the backside of the T-harness. When installing a BOBe on the vehicle, the first step is to disconnect the T-harness from the factory OBD2 connector. Unplug the third-party device from the T-harness. Follow the top of the T-harness to the 6-pin connector plugged into the PRPC module. Disconnect and remove the T-harness completely. It can be stored for future use or discarded. Now you can install the BOBe module. This is the only part that connects to the factory OBD2. Locate the BOBe T-harness and connect the 12-pin into the J1 port on the BOBe module. The red end of the T-harness plugs into the factory OBD2. Everything else will plug directly into the BOBe module. Looking closely at the BOBe module, you'll notice there are clear connectors labeled J2 and J3. Those are for InterMotive product connections. The opaque connectors labeled J4, J5 and J6 are for third-party devices. To connect the PRPC module, locate the 10-pin to 6-pin harness. Insert the 10-pin end into the J2 connection on the BOBe module. The 6-pin end plugs into the PRPC 6-pin connection. To connect the third-party device, locate the 10-pin to OBD2 harness. Insert the 10-pin end into the J5 connection on the BOBe module. The OBD2 end plugs into the third-party device. Again, all devices are connected through the BOBe module, which is the only part connected to the factory OBD2. For more information, contact tech support at 800-969-6080 or go online at www.intermotive.net for written installation instructions. Thanks for watching.